Another exciting step in us saving water in the valley and using recycled water. You know, I got this flask here. You know, we have this, looks like pretty nice clean water. I was told 8 hours ago this was raw sewage. So this is how fast the Lancaster Reclamation Plant was able to change this into tertiary water that you can use for everything except for drinking. But I've heard some of their staff drinks it once in a while when they run out of the other stuff. But you know, you can swim in it, you can do a lot of things with it. So this is fantastic. You know, since January, the City of Lancaster has been using recycled water for street sweeping, for sewer flushing, and dust control. In fact, since January, we've used 642,000 gallons of recycled water. Now, that's water that we would have had to use potable water for, that has to go to the home. So this is just exciting. You know, really our staff, you know, Randy Williams and the rest of the engineering staff has really been the forefront of this valley in creating a purple pipe system that we can actually use recycled water for other things. One of the things we just did recently on the City Council's agenda was we partnered with eSolar to get them recycled water. There's other manufacturing companies and other usage that we're trying to partner with, trying to get the purple pipe out to where we can water at the city parks and ultimately expand it. It used to, about 16 million gallons per day would have to go out and just go up into the sun and be evaporated. So we're trying to capture that water as tertiary water and use it so we can save the potable water. As everybody knows, we have such a problem with water. Some of it's created by Sacramento and the Delta itself. One of the things the County of Los Angeles is going to do in the sanitation district, which we have here today and they're going to speak, is that even though we're going to be transferring a lot of this water and using it for non-potable purposes, they are going to keep Paiute Ponds, which is a natural resource for us and a natural habitat, and that's going to be about 400 acres that they're going to keep in perpetuity for all the wildlife and the birds that nest there and everything. And it's a great place to go bird watching there too. So, you know, this is something that's just going to be fantastic. We have a green corridor, and you know, someday this place is going to be called the solar capital of the world, and we're going to need the recycled water for it, and it's going to change the world. Lancaster's going to start right here. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to introduce right now from the LA County Sanitation District, Stephen McGuinn.
Well, good morning. I'm here on behalf of the Board of Directors of your sanitation district, which is involved in this project in partnership with the city. My first point is to congratulate the City of Lancaster on a tremendous success, taking a very, very important first step in what will be one of a number of big steps to bring water self-reliance to the Antelope Valley. So this is an extremely important first step and a very, very big day. So congratulations to the City of Lancaster. You know, these projects are wonderful. We do several things. You've already heard that using this water for irrigating the grass and trees saves a lot of potable water, and that's important. It's a gallon for gallon savings. Every gallon of reclaimed water used to water the grass saves a gallon of water to go into your homes. It's a 100% return on this kind of a project. Speaking of these projects, we're involved in about 550 water recycling projects throughout the county, and something we've learned in our 40 or 50 years of doing that is that there are two essential elements to making these projects work. The first is partnership. In every project, we have a water partner. And in this case, our water partner is the City of Lancaster, personified to us by Randy Williams. And I want to tell you that it's that kind of partnership with the kind of partner we've had in the city that makes this project a real success. The second key element is every important project needs leadership. And it's the City of Lancaster in this project that stepped up and provided that leadership. So thank you very much for that. I want to be brief, so I just want to close again by congratulating the City of Lancaster. The importance of this project cannot be overstated. It's the first, and it's the first of what it's going to be very, very many that's going to bring tremendous importance and value to the City of Lancaster and the entire Antelope Valley. So congratulations.
Okay, I think what we're going to do now, where's the sprinklers going to go off? Did y'all bring your bathing suits? We're going to turn on the sprinklers and it's hot and no? Okay, where is it going to go? They're going to turn on right here. Well, thank you all for being here, and then the press, we'll talk to you afterwards. If you have any questions, you can come and talk to Stephen or Randy or myself, and we'll answer any questions that you have. So thanks again.